Alright, this is a short video. Long story short, I trade my Mazda 3 because I've been wanting a Lexus IS 300 for a long time. I just didn't get the chance to grab it. They're kind of expensive. I found a way to get one. I couldn't let it go. I love the Mazda. It was a really nice car. Don't get me wrong, a lot of power on that little hatchback. But I was getting a little claustrophobic inside the vehicle. I don't know why. It's just kind of too small, too compact. So I want to try something different. Like I said, I want to Lexus IS for a long time, and I'm always up to the challenge. Because I already didn't know what else to do with the Mazda, unless like upgrades on the engine, and it was nothing, at least not yet. So, but anyways, that's a short video. So it's a 2019 Lexus IS 300 all-wheel drive, premium package. Got like 33,000 miles. So it's still brand new, one owner. I think still got the bumper to bumper warranty. Still got some time left. But anyway, that's the video for today. So the people that was just for the Mazda, sorry. But if you see all my videos, I've been changing a lot of cars. Now I'm planning on keep this one for a while, but let's see, you never know. But anyway, thanks to the new subscriber, whoever wanna see me modding this baby up, stay on the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell if you wanna know when I upload videos, and you already know. Until the next one, be safe.